Hello everyone, my name is Akano Macdonald Ujunwa, and I'm going to be talking about week 2's topic of critical thinking and review. And in week 2's topic is going to be critical thinking getting started. In critical thinking getting started, Francis Bacon said, "Some books are to be tasted, others are to be swallowed, and some few are to be chewed and digested." And in this critical thinking getting started, we are going to be talking about active reading. That's active reading. And in active reading, there are two good points made. The first one, some type of reading do not need to be fully read at all. A taste of what the author is enough. Then the second one, some type of reading requires thoughtful consideration of languages, their meaning and relevance to the topic. Like the first one said that some types of books are not fully read, like just any small thing you can understand it easily. But the other one you have to go through a lot before you get it. Then we talked about previewing. Then in previewing, you look at the author, the place of publication, the genre type of writing, the table of contents, head notes or abstract if available, no title and the title and subtitle, section heading, image, graphs and tables. By previewing and skimming efficiently, you can quickly ascertain quite a bit of information about an article or essay. In critical thinking, I also talked about TSS. It's known as the main point or major clarity of an easy of a major clarity of an essay by looking at the first paragraph. We also talked about content. This refers to the situational conditions in which a piece is written. Context, literally, with the text, can refer to the time period, geographical location, and cultural climate, political environment, or any other setting that types you understand a piece of writing as well as the conditions surrounding it. Then type of context, you have context by production and context of consumption. Then the first and last rule in critical thinking getting started. The first rules are applied in skimmed essays. This rule assumes that somewhere early and late in the essay you can locate the author's key points. Then reading with a careful eye. Reading with a careful eye, just like underlining or highlighting key passages that make annotations in the margin, like key points that make sense, like what will help you to understand. Then we have types of reading. We have skimming and close reading. Then we have terms and concepts. A term is used to identify the concept, while the concept is an idea applied to all objects in the group. Then we talk about summarizing a paragraph. We talk about summarizing and paraphrasing. A summary helps you to understand the content and see the strength and weakness of the piece. It will also provide a snapshot of the argument in your notes. A paraphrase is a word by word rewording by a text, a sort of explanation in the author's word into your own. Then summaries and paragraphs can help you to validate, support, clarify, lend authority, and build ideas. Then patch writing and parallelograms. Patch writing is when the paraphrase writing but leaving something similar to the original. Then stage for summarizing. Summarizing can help you establish your understanding of an essay or article. And from like this whole critical thinking getting started, I learned that a paraphrase can help a reader understand the passage. Also, you have to preview before skimming, and you apply first and last rule when skimming is so you can be able to get what the author is talking about. You can be able to know the main point of the author. Thank you.